costs.
It's just online.
Okay.
Get those fellows pumping.
Security guard coming. 2.
Zitch connected. Zitch entered channel.
Where's my bellow operator damage?
Watch out, I need to move back.
Security guard coming. 3.
I got an engineer about to die.
Yeah,
There it
no.
is.
Engineer
And we
coming.
repaired a little bit, I think.
3.
It's just one bomb.
Bomb on you. Run.
Engine's dying.
The security guard, please.
Second NG dying.
Bad. Security guard coming. 4.
Kill that engineer.
Only more security.
Phase 2.
Good job.
Hosting people.
Kill the goddamn engineers.
Slag elemental coming. 1.
Quick, get it under control.
Warlord, we have it under control.
Bomb on you. Run.
I can stand up. There's a really bad rupture by this PE though.
Yeah.
Do it.
Turn up the heat, boys. We'll sweat them out.
Run out.
Got you, Demise.
Slag elemental coming. 2.
Slag's broken, by the way.
Tide neck.
Slag's at 40%.
Switch now to the PE.
Security guard coming. 1. Fire core coming. 1.
Dissonance next.
Get on Feldspar and the fire color.
Finish the PE.
Slag elemental coming. 3.
Right.
Run out. Security guard coming. 2.
Sorry.
Just be aware there's a rupture. Just don't die to it.
Fire core coming.
Let us
All ranges on 40s.
Run out.
Join me on the next one.
Yeah. Sorry, I would have called it sooner, but
It's fine.
Run out.
Get on the primal.
Security guard coming.
Primal now.
3.
I'll
Hey,
finish
can you
Sheld's
move?
far off.
take
Purple's on Gale.
not that way.
4. Fire core coming. 3.
Cap, next blast and Vault.
Okay.
Just give me this one. Now.
Do I need to move purple or is it in range?
Purple's fine. It's reachable from next to the PE by melee.
Security guard coming. 4.
Nah, we're doing that.
Finish the primal now.
Do it now. Nah.
Fire caller coming. 4. Slag elemental coming. 5.
I got volatile on me, you need to move. Tranking.
Orange is on me. I'm getting into position.
Security guard coming. 5.
Primal time. Purple's on 40s.
Hold tight for a
Fire
second.
caller coming. 5.
I did link.
Nice job.
That's good.
I got Volta. Purple.
Slag
Careful.
elemental coming. 6. Security guard coming. 6.
Tight.
Finish the primal.
I'm channeling mana. I can't get that. We get situated.
Orange is on Tig.
Great.
Fire caller coming. 6.
Dre, get on the primal, guys, soon.
Send them.
Purple is on Jotai.
Security guard coming. 7.
Primal now.
Slag elemental coming.
Matt and Steve.
Clean up ads. If we get that slag on there quick, we won't get more fire color.
Steve. Rose.
We're gonna get another set, so just be ready for him. Get circle in there.
Finish the primal.
Affleck. Affleck.
Dispel.
AW, please.
Security guard coming. 8.
I got double.
Cauterizing.
Run
I got it. I got it.
Defensive. Phase
Clean up ads. Fire colors first.
Warlord, we
Can we just get him up?
Yep.
Slag elemental coming.
Buffalo.
Find security guards now. Melts on Cav.
Need to provoke as soon as you can.
Run out.
Pause.
Melts on Crazy.
Got the next cooldown 2 and 5.
Security guard.
Cooldown 8.
Saradin.
Focus, guys, and kill this bitch.
Shino bars.
Move back, pause. It's a huge lane back here.
It's free.
Pulling, taunting in 3, 2, and 1. Kyler's tanking.
Guild on us.
Gonna keep still for a little bit.
Please, EE.
Affleck.
Slag elemental
Link.
coming. 9.
Moving back.
Getting the link again.
40s.
Pause is tanking.
Spriest.
Can I get an external, like a small one? I have 3 stacks.
Cav. Give it to him.
40s.
I got healing tide coming up in 7.
Next one. Next one. Matt.
Jotai.
Kyler's taunting in 5.
I just double stack too. I'm out of deterrence, guys.
Taunting now.
Spree
Move the
speed.
boss. Is
I'm moving it back.
Locky.
Not far though.
Less than 40 seconds. Hang tight. Cavalier.
You got Ironbark. Oh, cop.
Slag elemental
Thank you.
coming. 10.
Joe Ty.
Rage.
Ascendance.
Go for it.
Move
Rage.
the boss to green.
Yep.
Locky. 20 seconds. Use your fucking hellstones right now, everybody. Or a pot. Melt on Tig.
Kyler's taunting in 3.
On tank.
Locky.
Taunting now.
Bloodlust now.
Pop cooldowns, guys. Let's focus.
Gil on
Do
it.
this shit.
You have it.
Jab. Steve jab.
I have big cooldown up.
Tig hand. Move
Moving
the boss
back.
10 yards, no more.
Cav AW when you.
Melt on Locky.
Joe Ty.
Slag
Burn this
elemental
motherfucker!
power 11.
Burn him!
Yeah.
Yes!
Jesus fuck.
Yes!
Oh, third
guys.
pull?
Jesus.
Third
I
pull!
hate every single one of you.